Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for April 6, 2020. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see a very strong rally for U.S. equities today. The Dow finishing higher by 1,627 points, or almost 8%. Now, here's the situation. When we look at this, after a steep drop here, we recovered, pulled back slightly, and now advanced once again. What this does for us is give us a higher low, and now with today's move above this level, a higher high, and so we should continue moving higher for the next little while. A good spot to land. If we look at this, let's take our Fibonacci retracement tool, and here it is, somewhere around, let me get rid of this drawing here, somewhere around the 50% to 61.8 retracement zone, which lines up with this overhead resistance. So a bit more of a move higher here before I believe we will turn over and start dropping once again. The S&P 500 up 175 points, or 7%. The nasdaq was higher by 540, or 7.33%, and the Russell 2000 was up 86 points, or a little over 8%. Bond market did pull back today. The yield on the 10-year note now sits at 0.678%. Crude oil took a bit of a dive, down 204 today, or 7.2%. Looks like we should be retesting those lows soon, while gold was the opposite here, rallying hard to close at a new 52-week high. It was up $62.10, or 3.77%. And here's the US dollar managing a bit of a gain. Now, Boeing had a good day today. It was up almost 20% during the regular session, but after hours they announced that they are halting production at their South Carolina 787 plant. And right now, in the after hours trading session, shares of Boeing are lower by $2.81, or 1.89%. Depending on where we open tomorrow, and it's really more importantly where we close, we could kick off another move lower to retest these lows at 89. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.